Happy days are here. Look at this beautifulness in there. This is a successful batch of Lactobacillus reuteri 6475 is the type. And what this miraculous little bacteria does is it can actively help you make collagen so you can get rid of wrinkles. It happens to help with bone density. So women, if you're experiencing osteoporosis, if you eat this stuff, it will actually go into your gut and help put calcium into your bones. And the big thing is it makes helps your body make and create oxytocin, okay? Oxytocin is a wonderful hormone that controls everything from bone density to collagen production to muscle growth and even your libido. And especially, it works for men and women, but especially in women, oxytocin is what helps women have orgasms. And if you don't have enough of it, you're probably going to have a rough time having those. So, this is some amazing stuff, and I'm not just making this up. There are numerous studies on this, and it's something, nothing short of amazing. And the only reason why I can figure out why it's not more popular, and I got this from Dr. Davis, and I will post the information on it. But let me read from what he said too. Now, it also breaks down A1 casein, which is, if you know or if you haven't read it, go to the blog and read about A1 milk and A2 milk. 99% of all milk in the US is A1, which is a bad protein for humans. It causes immune response. If you ever drink milk, you get phlegmy, or your joints get achy, or your tummy hurts. A lot of times that's just from the A1 casein. And people from India that come over, or from Europe, that don't have any milk problems, when they come here to the U.S., they do. Because over there, Jerseys and Guernseys, which are primarily A2 cows, and what happened is the species divided in the Holsteins, which are the black and white ones that you see everywhere in commercials and stuff. Those are bad. Just honestly, the only thing you want to do is eat them. You don't want to drink their milk. And so let me go back here. So what happens is it boosts oxytocin and it helps smooth skin wrinkles. It accelerates dermal collagen, accelerates healing, restores useful muscle and strength, preserves bone density, increases libido. And so this is pretty much the age-reversing yogurt that you want to eat. Although it's not technically yogurt, it comes out like it. And I got to tell you, it tastes really good and smooth. I made this out of regular A1 organic half and half. And the next batch, which I'm going to do later today, is going to be made out of A2 milk. And we'll see how this comes. And now, these come in capsule forms. Let's see here. They also come in chewable tablets and capsule forms, but you don't want to mess with the chewable tablets. They just aren't worth it. You want to get, let me see if I can get this in focus here. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Because this has 10 billion units in two tablets, and they're not very big. They just look like vitamin tablets. Let me see if I can open this up. I don't have my holder here today, so I did an earlier version of this. So that's all. They just look like a regular tablet, and you just open them up, and then you put them into a quart. I put 3 of them into a quart of boiled, because you want to kill off the other bacteria, organic half and half. And then I put them in these 2 jars, and then I put them in my sous vide at 100 degrees for 36 hours. And I also added 2 grams of inulin fiber. 2 grams, 2 tablespoons, and it worked out great. I don't want to make this very long. I want to post this. I'm not going to put the first version of this with the transcription on here, but man, I'm impressed with this. This stuff is addictive. It tastes so darn good. It tastes kind of like a better version of Greek yogurt. It's really cream. It's got a buttery finish to it. I'm absolutely amazed. First batch, I didn't boil the milk. It didn't turn out good. And anyway, I got a hats off to BioGaia, because I think part of it was I used the tablets before, and they were out in heat. They said it didn't matter, but it was over 100 degrees. It was like 108 degrees when I opened up the box. The heat index was terrible, and it was out front, and I have a brick foyer, and it just sucks up the heat. It literally was 108 degrees out there, and they were sitting out there for 4 or 5 hours. So anyway, this works great. These folks, they didn't even know it. I just complained a little bit about it and told them what I was doing, and they sent me a whole new kit. So my hat's off to them. And if you don't want to mess with this, and most people won't, just get these tablets and try it for a month and let me know. It would be great. I'm not making any money off of this. It's just something that I want to share with you. And oxytocin. So bone health, muscle density, libido, orgasms, no wrinkles. How much better can it get? So, and what happens is once this gets established in your gut and you quit eating all the crap and you kill it off, this will help produce oxytocin 24/7. So it's kind of amazing. I'm sure it's going to blow up in popularity. In Dr. Davis's private group, it's already going crazy. So BioGaia, hats off to you for discovering this. And I'll put a link to the studies on this. So this isn't something that is brand new or anything, or hasn't been thoroughly researched. So we'll talk to you later. And Andrew Anderson signing off. Go 6 Gear. You can do this. And this is just like fun. So hope if you make this, let me know and see how it turns out. Okay. Bye-bye.